You know what's not so fun? Ugh, healing trauma. You know what's not so fun? Facing all your fears. You know what's not so fun? Rewiring your brain so that it can heal into what it was supposed to be all along. But you know what is fun? Finding yourself, creating yourself is fun. Discovering the beautiful magic that you are is fun. Discovering the dynamic wonder that you are is fun. Realizing that you are more magnificent than you could ever fathom is fun. So no matter what's going on in your personal healing journey, choose to focus on the positives. Choose to focus on the beauties. Choose to focus on anything that can inspire you forward. Because healing, a lot of times, it holds a lot of pain. But if we only focus on the pain, we're like, I don't want to keep healing. And you're going to block yourself from the magic that you deserve to experience. So shift the focus. Don't focus on the pain. Acknowledge that it's there. Don't bypass it. Don't ignore it. Don't pretend like it doesn't exist. But also choose to acknowledge anything and everything that's beautiful in the experience, because that plants seeds that inspire you forward, and it will take you all the way to the point where you reach the other side of healing and you're like, oh my God, I am so proud of myself for not giving up, because life is beautiful over here. Okay? So no matter what's going on in your personal healing journey, acknowledge the icky stuff. Don't ignore it, don't invalidate it, don't bypass it, but also don't stay there. Don't stay in the place of focusing on the icky stuff. Acknowledge it, be like, yep, panic attacks suck. All right, what else we got? The sun is shining! That rocks! Literally whatever you have to do to reframe the energy of your experience to let higher vibrations of love into your current reality. It makes a bigger difference than you can possibly comprehend. So yeah, it's not fun to heal trauma or to rewire your brain or to reprogram your nervous system or to retrain your brain waves or to try to figure out how to engage your prefrontal cortex when it just keeps disappearing. Or it's tough. It's tough stuff. But that's not all healing is. Healing is finding the beauty that you are. Healing is learning how to love all aspects of your innately perfect self. Healing is discovering talents that you didn't know you had. Healing is realizing how precious life is. Like, healing is a lot of really beautiful stuff too. So always try to shift the energies to anything positive after you've acknowledged the icky stuff. And while you're at it, focus less on what you're healing from and focus more on what you're healing into. Instead of what am I trying to change or escape or whatever, what am I looking forward to? What do I want out of life? Who do I want to be? Who do I want to heal into? Rather than what am I trying to heal from? Just these little reframes and energetic shifts can make a really big difference. I'm sending you lots of love, soul friends. Keep going. Keep going. Keep embracing your healing journey. Keep being you. You got this. You have so much more power than you can possibly comprehend. Through the directing of your internal energy, you literally have infinite power within your life.